wall ball. One of the many things that your hip pain might be stopping you from doing. Guys, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Many athletes like yourself deal with this hip kind of pinching and tightness right through the front of that hip. And often, it might come all the way out to the outside, it might come kind of like radiate to the back, right? But you feel super tight in the front of that hip. Now, this often can be because you're just not stable enough through the hip, and you're not as strong enough through that hip as you need to be. So, guys, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. If you don't know me, my name is Dr. Michael Tansini, Dr. Tank, here at Grounded Red PT. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. This is your daily body armor. We come at you daily with a way to bulletproof your body and be your best self. So if you haven't done it yet, hit subscribe, hit like, comment in the video below so that we can bring you what you guys need every single day to continue to thrive and be your best self. So let's get back to action. Wall ball and hip pain, a lot of you all are limited in whether it's a wall ball, whether it's a front squat, whether it's a back squat, whether it's a clean or a snatch, right? You have trouble getting to the bottom of that squat because it hurts, okay? Now, today we're gonna be working on getting that hip stronger with a simple side plank, all right? So now, you're gonna come back down here, you're gonna put the elbow right underneath of the hip, hand on the hips, and you're gonna clamshell up, and then you're gonna lift, okay? And you're gonna hold. Okay, so from here, you're gonna really drive that knee to the ceiling, you're gonna push away with that hip, okay? And you're gonna hold, okay? This is the first version of it, okay? So it's the side plank or a side plank with clamshell, okay? What we can do here is we can build strength through that hip, okay? We can start to get that hip working in a way to which we can take away a lot of the pinching and a lot of the discomfort from that hip so that you all can get back to doing wall balls, squatting, snatching, cleaning, everything you guys want without any problems. So guys, give it a try. This is Dr. Tansini, Daily Body Armor. See you next time.